Welcome to this luxurious, custom-built home, ideally located in a highly desirable neighborhood near Cooper Mountain Nature Park and Jenkins Estate Park. The home majestically sits on more than half an acre of level land. Discover a grand entry and a flowing, thoughtfully designed floor plan. In the spacious family room, entertaining is easy with a movie projector and built-in drop-down screen, plus a wet bar. It opens to the light-filled chef's kitchen with a large cooking island, a pantry, and contemporary fixtures. French doors open to the main level office. The primary bedroom with a fireplace is also situated on the main level. Unwind in the spa-inspired primary bath with a dual-sink vanity, jetted tub, and steam shower. Plus a large walk-in closet with organizers. An inviting separate dining room has a bay window and tray ceiling. Make memories with friends and family in the dream backyard with multiple spaces for gatherings, including a covered patio and barbecue for year-round entertaining. Or unwind by the saltwater pool with a new heater and new electronic automatic cover, plus an outdoor shower with a pool bathroom and changing room attached to the home. You'll also find a sport court and play area. The grand staircase leads to the expansive upper level in this home of more than 5,700 square feet, with 5 bedrooms, including 4 bedrooms on this level, and 2 with private baths. A second staircase leads to this large playroom with an indoor mini basketball court. And you'll find ample storage throughout. An exceptional home in a fantastic neighborhood, offering the best in Northwest living. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information, please contact Todd Adams with Premier Property Group.